Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix the Chai app if it isn't opening or working correctly. Let's begin by opening your phone's settings. Navigate to Apps, then select App Manager, and locate the Chai app from the list. Tap on Storage, then choose Clear Cache to delete temporary data. After that, return to the previous screen and tap Force Stop, confirming when prompted. Now head over to the Google Play Store, search for Chai, and make sure the app is updated to the newest version available. If the issue persists, restart your device to refresh the system. These steps typically resolve common glitches and prevent the app from crashing. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides.